Hi, Shaylin with WTI, and I am one of the pickiest sleepers that you're ever going to find. When I like to go to bed, the conditions have to be perfect for me to get a good night's sleep. And let me tell you, I finally found my perfect duvet cover. This is the BISELINA French linen duvet cover set. I have it in white and king size. It does come with 2 matching pillow shams. I love it because it's great for any season. It's 30% linen, 70% cotton, so it's going to be breathable for the summer, but it's going to be nice and warm for the winter, especially depending on what comforter you put inside of it. There's so many features I love about it. One of them being that it has a zipper closure at the bottom. So it zips completely all the way around to open up to whatever comforter you put inside. It also, at all 4 corners, has the tie closure. So I love that. It holds my comforter in place. And you just zip it right back up with your comforter in there. And with the 4 corner ties and this bottom zipper, it really does hold your comforter in place and it secures it, so there's minimal shifting. You're not going to feel it bunch up, which I super appreciate. I love that this material just feels like a very high-end, luxurious material that just seems to get better and better every time I wash it. And I love that I can just take my comforter out, throw it in the washing machine. Overall, we have been super happy with our quality of sleep with this duvet cover. So not only do I think that this duvet is super comfortable, but it's gorgeous. It gets softer every time I wash it, and I love when something is beauty meets functionality, and this is that duvet cover, and that's my point of view.